expedition team, move out! Today's mission: master the technique of fishing. Let's go! No, don't let the butterfly win. Focus. Stay on the path. Come on, keep moving. All right, little ones, our adventure begins.
Wow, so cool.
Watch me closely. Technique and patience. Technique, technique. Why is it just sitting there?
This tastes like wood.
Ooh, shiny. I just showed you the impossible technique. Now you try. Be careful with the hooks. No! Not at the same time! Watch out! Arg, come on. Why is this so difficult? Just break. Yes, finally. Oh my goodness! Look what you did! I just said be careful. Patience. Pause for cuddling, rod for fishing. No chasing insects. Focus on the river, not the grasshopper. Oh no! Watch out! Get out of the water! Excited meow. Mischievous grunt.
Continued urgent shouting.
Dazed meow. Smug purr. Look at you. Completely filthy. Stop chasing the fly. Chasing the fly will get you 0 fish. Stop! This is not playtime. You will scare the fish. Meow? I am confiscating this until you learn patience. Spit it out. Spit it out. Yuck, we do not eat dirt.
Meow. Purr. Hiss. Chirp.
You are going to pay for this. Enough. Sit. Watch. No moving. No chasing.
Yes, Mama. We are watching.
Now, let's try this again with technique and patience.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Not really. Cast.
Oh no.
Oops, meow. Heaven. I just can't win. Has.
Did you not listen? Patience. Watch me. Technique.
Now. Who wants to try?
Oh no. Whoops.
My rod. Hold still, you two. Just a little longer. No, stop it. Not me, not again. Almost done. Look how fluffy you are. Oh, I guess I do look good. Now, give your mama a hug.
Playtime is over. Everyone, back to the base now.
All right, little ones. Just wait right here on the blanket.
Meow? Meow.
Has. Just one. All that chaos for one tiny fish?
I've got to be quiet. Just a little further. Almost there. Shh. Nailed it. Now for some peace and quiet.
We failed the fishing mission, but we won at memory mission. Let's go home for cuddle mission.
The Calico Diaries. Expédition épuisante. A mother's patience carries the weight of the world.